Hey friends, it's Randy Dawn, a Marathon Coach. Happy Wednesday!
Yes.
We are over in Marathon in San Antonio, Florida, and we ran across this coach. What's the number?
It's 1271.
1271.
Yep.
We have it here on consignment, and it's kind of unique. So let's take a look through this because it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a great family coach. And we'll point that out to you as we go through it, just show you how if you have a family for traveling and for sleeping, it accommodates a lot of people. So
It does.
hope you enjoy the tour.
All right, so here we are inside the coach. I'm going to take over this little tour. So come on with me. So over here on the curbside, we have a sofa, 3-cushion sofa that folds flat.
So that's a jackknife. Jackknife there.
And then over behind the driver, we have another jackknife sofa.
Another jackknife.
It is a little bit longer than the one on the other side, but again, think of all the people that can ride, whether you have family with you, friends, enemies, whoever's with you on your trip.
And you could possibly sleep one or two person
Yes.
on
So
especially
you
on this
could
big
sleep 4 people up front.
Yeah.
You could.
Yep.
Then you have the whole booth. So think of all the seating just in this area. So if you like to entertain or travel with family or have family come visit, this could be a coach for you. All right, so if we just move on through, we have all the same necessities with the cooktop, the microwave, we have pantry storage in here, refrigerator, freezer. So this is just a great common area here. We come through and
We have the bunks.
we have bunks. Now I've crawled in this. I'm not a tall person, but they're 6 foot.
At least. Yep.
And so they each have, of course, the little entertainment centers in them, which is always helpful if you do have kids. Now keep in mind, if you want to use this as storage, this bed goes down. There's also 3 drawers at the bottom. So whether you use that for yourself or if you do have children traveling with you or grandchildren traveling with you, they can have a drawer to put all of their fun things in.
And that totally closes off too, correct?
It does, yeah, I can show you that.
Doors that close?
Yep.
Awesome.
So you can just,
And then you can slide them together
they come together.
to totally close it off.
Yeah.
Nice.
And then you have a huge shower. Now remember, we're in an X, so we have the headroom. It's tall, which is a wonderful thing. It just makes it feel bigger, especially even if you're in a double.
And what every guy needs, a TV in the bathroom.
You never know what game's on. You don't
That's right.
know.
Show you the shower here.
It's a very nice coach. This is a one-owner coach. What does it have, Randy? 26,000 miles?
26,000 miles, yeah.
Low miles. So let's open up some of this. Oh, here we go. Full length hanging closet, which is always nice. And then all of your storage here. More storage here.
Nice.
Yeah.
Big TV.
Storage, big TV. And then
it's kind of cool. You get that small vanity right there. You know, it
That is
doesn't.
nice.
Yeah, it doesn't take up a lot of space.
well, if you think about it, if you're going to travel with a bunch of people,
Yeah, you need
they
that.
can use the bathroom in the mid, and you can totally brush your teeth, wash your hands, whatever you need to do here at this back sink.
Right.
And the nice thing is it blends right in with everything.
It does.
It's
You don't
very
even know
easy
it's
to
there.
walk right by it.
I think I
So
missed it the first time I went through.
I think we did. And then in the back here we have the washer dryer along with the electronics and more hanging storage.
Yeah, I think it actually kind of goes back, doesn't it?
It does. It's
Nice.
very well laid out, very user friendly. Of course, we have the iPads as well in this, along with the door ring and monitor. So it has all those nice luxury items added in.
King size bed.
Which
Very
tilts
well.
up.
Yep.
It's always good. So
Good.
this is a nice coach. If you're looking to find out more information about this, you can reach out to Randy or I at randyv@marathoncoach.com, and we would love to answer any questions you have. And again, we so appreciate you watching us, and we can't wait to see you next time. Keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.